Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Microsoft Teams for collaboration step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type Microsoft Teams in the search bar. Navigate to the official Microsoft Teams website. Look for the download option on the home page. Click on the Download for Desktop button. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your computer. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation process. If prompted by your computer, allow the installation to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installation is finished, open Microsoft Teams. You will be presented with a sign-in screen. Enter your email address and click Sign In. If your organization uses Microsoft Teams, log in with your work account. If you're setting it up for personal use, select Sign Up for Free. Follow the prompts to create your account if needed. After logging in, you'll see the main Teams interface. Familiarize yourself with the left sidebar for navigation. Click on Teams to access your team channels. To create a new team, click on Join or Create a Team at the bottom. Select Create Team and choose the appropriate team type. Fill in the necessary details and click Create. Now, invite members to your team by entering their email addresses. Once members accept, they will join your team. Explore features like chat, meetings, and file sharing to enhance collaboration. Customize your settings by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. Adjust notifications and other preferences as needed. You are now ready to start collaborating using Microsoft Teams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.